Assalamu alaikum and hello again. Now we will solve task 5 mail merge letter. It's paper 21 summer or May June 2016. It's talking about Tower Adventures are recruiting staff for their new activity center in France. You are required to carry out a mail merge to invite successful applicants for interview. Now, question 29. As usual, they are talking about two files. One of them is RTF, rich text format, and the other one is CSV, the comma separated values. The RTF will be the master letter, and our data source will be the CSV. Now we will open the RTF and we will check that we have the CSV in our resources just only, but we will not open it. Okay, now we will open the interview. Here's the file. I want to zoom and find out. Now we have the fields here between the chevrons. As usual, we have to replace them by the fields from the source file, and this is the body of our letter. Okay, so let's back. Now what they are asking us to do. In the master file, replace the date with the field to display today's date in the format DD4M4Y. Please don't insert the date as usual, as just only insert date. We have to go for the insert. From insert, we will go to the field now insert quick parts field, then I want the date. Here is the date, and I have to do it as they asked me to. DD MMMM Y, and okay. Now this is the current date with the format they are asking me to. Now I will do it in another way, like insert, then date, like this. We will find that this one with XX will not work when they asking us to make the field code. Okay, leave it, but I will make it in red just to recognize. Back, insert relevant merge fields from the data source file to replace the text in chevrons in each field. Okay, now we will go for mailings. Start. This is the easiest way and the safest one. Next, and also use the current document. So next, now browse the source file, and I have to find it in my. Now I found it in the working area. Here it is. I can't judge if it is correct data, but I will click on OK. Now I have to replace these fields with chevrons by insert. Now title by title. Please don't lose any of the spaces or add new spaces. You have to keep it as it, so be careful. As you see, it will take us time, but easy marks. title again. No matter how many times it is repeated, I have just to replace, and I have to be very careful like this. Job role here. Also I have to replace and to be careful about the spaces before and after. As you see, each field which is new one and replaced, it will be in the code like this. Now I don't see any of the codes, so back. Replace the candidate name by your name. Include your center number, candidate number in the footer of the document. So my name here, and in the footer I will add my center number and candidate number. Okay, now spell check and proofread. Save the master letter. Display field codes. Let's do the review and spell check. My name will not be a matter. Now Tawara, also a name. Application, I have here some changes, so change application. Also attendance, each one is with a value of 1 mark, so I have to do them. Then I have to display the field codes. Now how to do it? I will select my whole document, then I have to choose any of these fields like this one and toggle field code. By this I have the field code. Now you see the difference between the field date and the current date. Because of this I will delete the red one and I will keep this one. They want to see this DD quad M quad Y. And also here are all fields I have saved, and place in your evidence file a screenshot showing evidence for the format of the data field, for the date field. So in my evidence file I have evidence 12, here. Print screen. Then I prefer to do this in the paint. It will be easier than cropping. Like this. Copy back to your evidence and put in the evidence. Okay, thank you. After this, let's check. Print your master document with merge fields. So I will just print this one by file and print as usual. It's 1 page, as you see. After print, we will go print only the merged letters for selected applicants. Question 30. Merge the letters selecting only those applicants who have applied for the job ski instructor. Okay. Just only the ski instructor. So here in mailings, we have to go to edit recipient list. And the job role, it will be ski instructor. I can choose it from here. So I have these three ski instructor, or I can find it by advanced and tell it as like this: job role equal to ski instructor. I need this for evidence if they ask me for the evidence. So let's check. Now merge, print only the merged, and they are not asking here. Yes, they are asking for the selection method. So in evidence 13, I will put a screenshot here. This is my evidence, and after that I will choose edit individual like this, edit individual documents. I will not go to print directly, because if there's any changes I need to do, I can do it in this stage. Now this is the time and date, sorry. Now this is my first letter, the second letter, and the third. So I have just only 3 letters as you see here, which is logic. And now you can print your work. Don't print directly from the mail merge. Make it as edit individual, then come to here. So easy 10 marks are done here with no big effort.